Welcome to my YouTube channel! Alam niyo ba kung nasan ako? Hulaan ninyo. May pahula pa no? May pahulaan pa no? Talaga naman. Well, nandito ako sa doctor's office. Alam naman ninyo, syempre we need to take care of our health. That's very important. Yearly po, meron po akong physical check-up na tinatawag. Ayun po ay chine-check everything from sugar, blood pressure. So they actually draw a blood at doon po makikita kung healthy ang ating liver, healthy ang ating kidney, kung meron tayong yung blood sugar po natin ay mataas, and everything po makikita po sa blood test. So, ayan po, I make sure that every year ay nagpupunta po ako sa doctor at nagpapa-physical check-up. So, hinihintay ko lang ang aking doctor at maya-maya lang na nandito na. So, hintay lang tayo. Importante talaga, yun nga sinasabi nila, health is wealth, di ba? Importante na talaga na inaalagaan natin ang ating mga sarili, inaalagaan natin ang ating health. That's the most important para humaba ang ating buhay at makasama natin ang ating pamilya na matagal. So, hintay lang tayo ha. Yan ang aking blood pressure. Hindi ba napakaganda po? 134/81. Oh, hindi ba? Kasi healthy living tayo. 134. So now I'm going to my blood test. I'm going here to have my blood test. Already draw a blood. Ayan no. Ayan, and the nurse told me that I need to take this out about after 15 minutes. It's about 4 tubes that I actually took blood from me. So that will be checked for cholesterol, for sugar, liver, if the liver is healthy, the kidney. So talaga maganda po talaga ang physical check-up every year. So ayan po siya. So, dito tayo at ako'y paalis na. Labas na tayo ng clinic. So, ayan yung clinic. Ito yung clinic. Ayan. Usually, maraming tao rito. Pero ngayon, hindi masyadong marami kasi nga, weekdays. Pero, minsan pagka weekend, talagang napakaraming pasyente po dito. So, ayan ang clinic. Ayan. Ayan. Gusto ko lang makita ninyo. Ayan siya. At napaka-convenient dito kasi napakalaki ng parking. So, I'm just waiting for Dada. And, meron pa rin kami isang pupuntahan. Thank you for watching. So, don't forget, please like, comment, share, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye!